Hi KW Associates, it's Jessica here. Recently I found a lot of you have been asking, how do I embed an image into my eEdge email? It's actually very simple, and I'm going to walk you through it today. So first off, we'll go to mykw.kw.com. If you're not already logged in, please log in with your KW user credentials. If you have forgotten this, please let me know and I can help you reset it. This right here is your eEdge control panel. This is where your database is. This is where you send your emails out. So I'm going to select eEdge messages to open that up. And here on the right hand side, I'm going to select compose email. So with embedding an image, it has to be a web-based image. What that means is it has to come from the internet. So it cannot be an image that's saved on your desktop, a USB, your computer. It must come from online. So the first method I'm going to show you is an image you have online already. So we're going to open up Google and we're just going to look up an image. Say on look up Family Day. So I'll go to Images and I want to send this out to my database. So what I'll do is click on the image, right click, and copy image. From here, I'll go back to my message. You can type your message to whoever, write Happy Family Day, write whatever you need to write. And then once you're ready to insert your image, right click and select Paste. And this will automatically embed your image into the email. From here, you can always adjust the size of the image. You can change it. The reason why my email signature got pushed was because I had selected in between one of the characters. So to fix this, just press enter, the J back, and now I have my Family Day image. If you have a non-web-based image, you can also embed into your email. So to do so, you'd click the Marketing tab. From here, select Marketing Center, and then you'd select Images. This will go to your eEdge file manager. From here, you'll upload the image so that it can become web-based. So I'll go to Select Files, and on my desktop, I have this Family Day image here. So I'll upload. You can add a category if you'd like, and then select Upload. Once it's uploaded, I can now close it, and my image is here. So just like before, you would select the image, right-click, copy image, and now we can close it. Go back to your messages, compose email. You would type your message, your email, whatever you need to add, and then once you're ready, you would right-click, select Paste, and that will add your image in. So you can see this image is very large. So what I can do is drag the little corners and resize it so it better fits in my email. From here, you can add your contacts, add your subject, and once you're ready to send, send is both at the bottom right corner and the top left corner up here. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email at jessicakfong@kw.com. Thanks and have a great day.